Hey guys, welcome. So in this video, we'll quickly show you how to check your text and documents on Grammarly for plagiarism. So my friends, as I can see, they have actually put this function into the Pro version. So you will have to buy a Pro subscription to do this. But in general, as you can see, we'll have like this assistant thing. So you just press on the correct with assistant. And then check for AI, text, and plagiarism. Then you can just press on accept in here. And as you can see, the plagiarism is right over here. You just need to get Pro. And if you have Pro and after you get it, you log into your account, you just press on show plagiarisms and you will get them very easily. Just make sure to grab the Grammarly Pro. As you can see, it's now paid $12 a month. That's how it's done, guys. Hopefully this video helps you out, enjoy, and I will see you in the next one.